Till journey is a journey, that's very good. But once journey becomes suffer, SUFFER, that becomes a problem for us. And we all take several journeys in life, but during journey, stiffness in neck, stiffness in shoulders, stiffness in back is very common. Today we'll learn a very small protocol, not very lengthy, that can be done during travels, or if you're staying somewhere, or even when you are at home, you can practice this protocol. So let's start with neck. Relax your neck and take a circular movement. Try to make a big circle through your neck. Sit in a very comfortable posture. This will relax your neck instantly. Just practice it 7 to 10 times. From here only, give circular movement to your shoulder. This can also be done 8 to 10 times. After shoulder, we are going to give movement to our spine. So sit in cross-legged position and make a big circle. Now this is Ghurnika Mudra that we are doing. This can also be done 5 to 6 times from each side, and then come back and relax. Once the entire rotation of your back is done, then we will be doing Bilav Gati. For Bilav Gati, take this position. Now what we have to do is, while inhaling, lift up your hips, your chest and your face, and your spine is going to go down. Now while exhaling, push your hips, perform Mool Bandh, make an arc of your back, and neck is going to come forward. So inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. And then how do we come back? Slowly bring your hips back. Stay in this position for some time with normal breathing. This is Mukta Meru, and then gently bend forward as much as possible. Do not overdo, do not exert yourself. Now lift up your hips and try to touch your chest to the floor, your chin to the floor, and stay in this position with normal breathing, and then slowly come back in Vajrasana. If you practice this very small protocol during your journeys, this will take away your spinal tension, your cervical tension, and your body will become more energetic and relaxed. That's all for today. Lots of love, light and blessings. Stay happy, stay blessed. Hari Om.